Good morning, Ms. Neville Science students. Here's our weekly check-in. So I wanted to talk to you about what this week would look like because it will look different than normal weeks. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we'll have a normal live session at our normal times. Thursday, we will not have a live session. Let me repeat, science students in Ms. Neville's class, Thursday, there will be no live session. Why? Well, Ms. Neville is going to be assigning you your second and I think last common formative assessment, a big test where we're able to take a pulse on your understanding of air masses, frontal boundaries, which we'll be learning about today, humidity, barometric pressure, altitude, all of those things will be on that test. I wanted to also show you when you go to Schoology, under materials on the left side of your screen, you'll see updates. When you click updates, you're going to be able to see Ms. Neville has already given you a weekly science check-in. So in science this week, we're going to be reviewing global ocean currents and winds, and we're going to be starting frontal boundaries. We'll be starting frontal boundaries. Today, not only will I be assigning to you a checkup on frontal boundaries that will be due tomorrow, but I'm also going to assign to you your study guide that's going to be due on Thursday. When you complete this study guide for a grade, this study guide is going to be able to provide for you the exact content material that will be on our test. So you won't have the question, or at least you shouldn't have the question as to what will be on that test. The climates, our study guide is going to cover everything that's going to be on that test. Now the questions won't be the same, okay? But you will get to see some of the same content, so you really know what you need to brush up on, what you need to study more. Tuesday, we're going to continue studying frontal boundaries. And then we're going to also start land breeze and sea breeze. That's talking about winds and how the law of convection looks at the beach. On Wednesday, we're going to be using a lot of graphs. So you'll want to bring your ruler and all of those things. And each of these days, you should have a graded assignment, okay? Thursday, there will be no live session because you're going to have your CFA, okay? If you have any questions, please feel free to contact Ms. Neville on Remind through email, or you can text me at the phone number in my email signature. Have a really great day, guys. Can't wait to see my first period at 8:10. Bye.